from the 2 holes? Or
No,
was that
that was the window in the living room.
Where'd this all come from? That you had to
My guess
redo?
is, well, I know this part came from the air conditioner because there's a window unit in here. Over there in the corner, it was a little bit rotten because you can see where I reinforced it right there.
Yeah.
But it's dry. Even though it rained yesterday, none of this got wet. So whatever it was, it's
Age.
gone.
Whatever it was, it disappeared.
Yeah, whatever water source caused that damage down there is gone now.